Okay, as you can see, I won another game, so I'm just going to update my scoreboard. I'm at 60, 12, and 2. Let me just fix this. Win percentage needs to be fixed. 60 plus 14, 74. 60 divided by 74 is 81.1. 81.1. And then it is 62 divided by 74 is 83.8. 83.8. Now we are going to go over the win. I won by resignation. Birds opening. I guess at this level, you have to play unusual games, unusual openings that people don't normally use. That's how you can win some more games because people are not accustomed to it. They don't use theory. They don't know how to attack, defend against it. And black wins 43% of the time, 32.2%, 24.8%. I played as white, so I was not favored to win. But as white generally has a 2% better chance to win, so I used that as my advantage to win this game. But with this strategy, it doesn't normally win. F4, E6, G3, G5, D4, and F6, B3, knight is C6, C3, E5, EX5, knight E4, knight D2, takes, queen takes, BE7, BG6, castles queenside, knight F3, B5, castles kingside, kingside, queenside, blah blah blah, B4, BG5, B takes, I wanted to, in this move, I wanted to trade my queens because I was ahead, and I had a solid position. I could, normally you wanted to trade with the weaker piece unless it's going to remove your position. Then I took H6, I retreated and played some defense. Well, in the year, I wanted to keep this in so I can have my X-ray, and it's a pretty damn good X-ray. 1, 2, 3. So what I did was retreat here because I could. Did I do that? No. I wanted to do this, so I did this first so that it would retreat, so that I can move my knight out, and then I could have this X-ray. So that's why H3 he takes, and then I take back. The knight wasn't a crucial piece, but it was an important thing. I would like to, obviously bad arrow. Obviously you want to keep your pieces, and here's this X-ray still in existence. Can't do anything about it. And I take, and then he responds with that, and I steal that knight. Then I had options to take this or that. Like I was fearing checkmate with the queen, with the pawn here, and somehow he gets a queen, or somehow he defends it. I don't know what he could do, but I wanted to be careful around here because knights are tricky. Knights are dangerous. And he steals my bishop. I steal this knight, and he threatens my rook. I target both of them, both ways. This, instead of taking this pawn, obviously I'm going to take this pawn. I could have taken it with the rook, and I was willing to make a trade. He gave me this, so then I'm going to take it. He exchanged, and now I was chasing pawns here, and then there's a pawn there, and then I can go here and there, and there, and eventually here and there. Oh, god damn it. There. There, takes that. This one. Now I have a battery. This is called a battery. You have to be very good at batteries. Double stacking. Um, call it this, and then king, and then he resigns over here, or she. Pretty good game. If you like this, subscribe, share with one friend, and hit that bell icon.